When you need to verify post-potting success, our FTIR microscope gives your engineering team a deeper analytical advantage. FTIR, Fourier Transform Infrared Radiation, reads the infrared spectra absorbance of a material, producing a chemical fingerprint based on its chemical functional groups. Each polymer has its own unique absorbance pattern, which makes FTIR ideal for validating potting quality and identifying anomalies. At Epic Resins, we measure this using both ATR and ATR microscope methods. ATR analyzes a single absorbance spectrum with an IR energized crystal. Our ATR microscope captures an array of spectra, allowing us to map chemical variation across the surface. This allows us to pinpoint issues like surface contamination, thermal degradation, excessive mold release, potting inconsistencies, and counterfeit thermoplastic housings. The FTIR microscope helps you see what you can't see, confirming potting quality and troubleshooting anomalies fast. It's an indispensable resource when you partner with Epic Resins.